People on the street can do a much better job than this. We are in this false sense of perception that the company work will be highly professional. What is this? Is this supposed to happen? But this is not professionalism. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you the things I'm disappointed about in Hyundai. So let's get straight to the point. The seats look very good from here, but as soon as you go to the back side of the seat, you will notice something which I quite did not expect from a company like Hyundai. So let's go. So here we are. So when I show you the car from this angle, what is the first thing that you notice? This, right? So this is exactly what I'm talking about. I was told by many people to not get accessories from Hyundai. You get the car, no problem, get the stock car, but do not get accessories from the company. But I still persisted. I put my trust and I went ahead and got these covers, which by the way cost 7,500 rupees. They're not cheap, okay, by any standard. And this is what I get. I noticed this only when I remove the plastic cover, because generally what happens is when they give you the car, there are plastic covers over it, right? And you do not notice anything that is underneath, because we have this tendency of keeping things new for a period of time and we do not immediately remove the plastic cover. तो मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ, ये देखिए, ये मैंने अभी कुछ ही देर पहले ये प्लास्टिक उतारा था और तब मुझे पता चला कि क्या इश्यू है वो स्टिचिंग में. तो now when I remove the plastic cover, this is what I saw and I was really disappointed because I had put my trust in Hyundai. The accessories that are supplied, I was told that the work is going to be so top class and professional, and this is what I get. People on the street can do a much better job than this. This is done so haphazardly. Now I will just remove this and show it to you exactly how it looks. Okay, I'll just keep the camera right here. Okay, you just have to press this point. Yeah, so I hope you can see it. So what I want to ask you is this the kind of work that one should expect after paying 7,500 rupees to get these seat covers fixed? No, right? So this is what is happening in the accessories department of the company, and this is one of the reasons why many people do not get accessories from the company itself, because already they are expensive, and if you're getting work like this done, then what's the point, right? You might as well go outside and get the seat covers fixed for cheaper price at a much better quality and a much better work. Hyundai should really think into this and improve its accessories department, because it's all going downhill as far as the accessories are concerned. I made a mistake of getting these seat covers from the company. So what I have decided is that I will not recommend it to anyone to get these accessories fitted by Hyundai, because we are in this false sense of perception that the company work will be highly professional, but this is not professionalism. What is this? There's like this thread sticking out, and had I not removed the plastic cover, I wouldn't have come to know this. So this is wrong, and I'll just put it back again. I can't see this. Okay, anyways, now I'll move over to the other side, and it's the same story here also. You can see right here. I mean, I have seen many cars, and actually my previous car also didn't have like shoddy work like this. Especially when you buy a brand new car and you see something like this, it really puts a very bad impression. And in addition to that, I forgot to show you one more thing over there. So as you can see here, what is this? Is this supposed to happen? This really denotes the fact that they have not even measured it properly and fitted it. बाकी तो मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि मैंने अगर नहीं लगाया होता सीट कवर तो ज़्यादा बेहतर होता, बिकॉज सीट में ना एक टाइप की एक कर्वेचर थी, यानी इट वाज व्हाट केम फ्रॉम द कंपनी, यानी द स्टॉक कार. उसमें कैसे था, देयर वाज दिस कर्वेचर विच यू कुड सी without the seat cover, but now with the seat cover, look at this, like it's this like this balloon like feeling, which I don't like. So anyways guys, I hope you understood what I was trying to convey to you. I'll make a video about if they correct it and probably share it with you. So this is what I felt about the work